Hen laid eggs, duck was swimming by. Little did they know just then a sneaky thief came by. C-I-E-I-O. Oh no, oh my. Old MacDonald had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. A clever shepherd, brave and strong, guarding farm you know. Woof woof here, woof woof there, dog says stop right there. Doggy barked and wagged his tail, warning everywhere. C-I-E-I-O. Good dog. Atta-fummin'. Old MacDonald saw the cow, E-I-E-I-O. Cow looked scared and said moo moo, didn't want to go. Moo the moo moo here, moo moo there. Cow called loud and clear. Dog stood strong and farmer ran. Don't worry, cow is here. C-I-E-I-O. Cow safe. Now. Old MacDonald saw a rabbit, E-I-E-I-O. Jump, jump fast behind the hay, hiding down below. Not squeak, squeak here, squeak, squeak there, little bunny scared. Dog blocked path and farmer smiled. Rabbit, you are cared. C-I-E-I-O. Safe and sound. Old MacDonald heard a hen, E-I-E-I-O. Cluck, cluck loud near basket bright, protecting eggs you know. Make cluck, cluck here, cluck, cluck there, hen stood brave and tall. Dog sat guard and farmer said, no eggs lost at all. C-I-E-I-O. Teamwork. All. Old MacDonald saw the goat and fluffy sheep nearby. Cork mama here, a baba there, they didn't want to cry. Dog herded left, farmer right, together strong and smart. Goat and sheep felt safe again, warm in farmer's heart. C-I-E-I-O. Teamwork. All. Old MacDonald saved his farm, E-I-E-I-O. With his dog so brave and true, friends forever so. Cow and goat and hen and sheep, rabbit, duck and all. Thank the dog and farmer loud, happy farm for all. C-I-E-I-O. Safe farm. Ho, ho, ho. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. With love and care and teamwork too, the farm